This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com. Simpson's diversity index measures community diversity. Although it's commonly used to measure biodiversity, it can also be used to gauge diversity differences in populations in schools, communities, and other locations. The range is from 0 to 1, where high scores close to 1 indicate high diversity, low scores close to 0 indicate low diversity. One of the more useful aspects of the index is to compare two sets of data to see which is more diverse. For example, if one has an SDI of 0.5 and another has an SDI of 0.35, then the set with the SDI of 0.5 is more diverse. Here's the formula for Simpson's diversity. N is the number of individuals of each species, and capital N is the total number of individuals of all species. For this example, we're going to calculate the Simpson's diversity index for the following table of 5 species. If formulas are not your thing, I'm going to break this down into a series of steps. The first step is to insert the total of the set, that's 89, into the denominator n minus 1 and solve. That gives me 89 multiplied by 89 minus 1, and that equals 7,832. Put this number aside for a moment. For the numerator, start by subtracting 1 from each count. For example, 81 minus 1 is 80. Take each of those solutions and multiply them by each individual n. For example, 81 individuals multiplied by 80 is 6,480. Add up all of those figures we calculated. When we do that, we get 6488. The last step is to divide our answer from step 2 by the answer from step 1. And according to the formula, we want to subtract that from 1. That gives us 0.17. The diversity index for this particular set is 0.17.